Apple just made fixing your iPhone way cheaper. Previously, if you had to fix or replace any part for your iPhone, you would either pay Apple hundreds of dollars or you could replace it with an aftermarket or used part from another used iPhone. But most of the time, doing this can make your iPhone display an annoying notification and the part will probably not work. But the big news now is that Apple will finally allow you to repair your iPhone using original parts from another used iPhone. But for now, this will only work with iPhone 15 series, which means